Hello guys, today we bake a Waters chocolate cake. It's called Waters cake because we will not use the milk, the butter and the eggs, but we will use the water. Naturally, there is other ingredients that you can see after the intro. We need 350 ml of water, 320 grams of flour plus 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda that I already put in the flour, like you saw. 160 grams of sugar, I will use the brown sugar, plus 80 ml of oil, I will use the rice oil, and 60 grams of chocolate. Now we add the sugar to the flour, the other dry ingredients, we mix very well. I add the water, the oil, and we prepare our dough. After I will cut the chocolate with a knife to make some chips of chocolates. And after we put our dough in the baking pot, oil, we also some flour, and we put in the oven preheated at 170 Celsius degree for more or less 45 minutes. After 42 minutes at 170 Celsius degree, our cake is baked. You can check with this toothstick or with one spaghetto to check inside if it's cooked. My one is cooked. Now I remove from the pot, I put in the dish. See you later for the tasting. Very yummy because there is the chocolate inside. For sure with the butter and the eggs will be better, but if you cannot eat the butter or the eggs, this cake is perfect. So if you try, let me know. Here you can subscribe to the channel, please leave me a like it and watch all the other videos. If you try, let me know. Or if you make for some of your friends that have this kind of problem, let me know too. Bye bye!